Renardo, there has been a further delay to the process of electing the next president of the Jamaica Table Tennis Association following an overnight postponement of the annual general meeting, which was scheduled to be held today.
Stakeholders of the Jamaica Table Tennis Association have had to endure a roller coaster of a ride over the past year. And just when many were preparing for an end, the local body has seemingly renewed the token in asking affiliates to remain a while longer. This as the JTTA released a statement on Friday night notifying affiliates of the postponement of the annual general meeting a little over 12 hours before they were expected to go to the polls. Instead, affiliates will have a chance to air their grouse at a special general meeting on April 15. It's a move presidential candidate Stephen Grant has been calling for.
The prerequisite to any election a list must be provided and all parties agree on it and finalize a date for the election. I don't know exactly what is happening, and I am peacefully and anxiously awaiting some clarification. But from my point is, I am suggesting that we move forward and have a special AGM so all of these things can be ironed out and we finalize a date for the elections.
Samuel Lamont, who is also looking to unseat incumbent Angelo, is hoping that everyone will have a fair shot at the presidency.
One of the worst things is to throw cold water and something. So I don't want to knock the president. I am disappointed that certain things were never done. But what we want to do is to ensure that the election is fair and free, and that there is proper fairness. What we would like to do is to say to the president, Mr. President, if there's anything that is untoward, put it aside, because we're not going to use the media and dirty up the sport anymore. But make sure that whatever you do is clean.
According to the release, the SGM is to confirm the arrangements for the AGM, including a consideration for further extension for payment of affiliation fees, a method for receiving nomination of candidates, and to determine a date for the AGM. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.
Thank you, Renardo.